Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at home and doing your studies. So, are you doing studies? Yes. So, once again, you are with your English teacher, Shehnaz ma'am. So, what are the three things you have to do in the beginning of this video? So, yes, you have to like the video, and second one is share the video with your friends, and of course, at last, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get all my next videos notification. So now we are going to start our that fourth chapter of English reader of Macmillan. So what is the name of the chapter? The Dolphin and the Shark. Yes. So what is the name of the chapter here? The Dolphin and the Sharks. So what do you think? Where dolphin and shark live? Yes, you know very well that dolphin and shark live in sea and ocean. Okay, you all are very good students, I know. So, we all are studying at home nowadays because of coronavirus. We are not going to school. So, watch this video very carefully and try to understand your chapter. Okay, so before starting this lesson, I would like to ask you few questions here. So, have you seen a sea or ocean? Okay. So next question is, who lives in a sea or ocean? Have you ever visited a sea or aquarium? Or do you have an aquarium at home? So now what do you mean by an aquarium? So, of course, an aquarium means a house for fish. So, maybe you have observed in some places, maybe we are going to shopping mall, no? And when we are going to hospital to our relatives, so at their home, we have their aquarium where they kept some fish. Even tortoises are also there, yeah, or colorful fishes are also you have find there. Okay, so yes, maybe we have seen sea and ocean on television, no? So on television we have seen sea that is too vast, means it's and we don't know where it the end of the sea or ocean because it is endless. Okay, so do you have a friend? Do you have a friend with you? Okay, so you have friends in your class, or nowadays we are not going to school, no? So you have friends in your society also, or in your colony also, or in your neighborhood also. Okay, so do you have good friendship with your friends? Yes, you have. Of course, we all have friends and we have good friends also. So, who helps us? So, now we are going to start our lesson. So, what is given in this chapter? So, in this chapter, you will study about a shark, a dolphin, and a magical experience that they have one day. Okay, so let us start to read. So, reading I will not do here. I'll explain you in short. So, reading you have to do it yourself at home. Okay, so this is a story about a dolphin whose name is Dudley. Whose name is Dudley, and a shark whose name is Simon. So here, what are the names of animals given here? What is the name of the dolphin given here? Okay, the name of the dolphin is given Dudley here, and what is the name of the Simon here? Name of a shark? The name of the shark is given here Simon. Okay, both of them live in the ocean. So where do they live? Yes, they live in the ocean. So what happened here? They know each other. They know each other very well, but they are not the best friends. They are not the best friends. Maybe you have observed in class, na beta, you have your friends, but only one friend is our best friend. Na? Only one friend is there who is the best friend. So here they know each other. They know one and another very well, but what happened? They are not the best friend. So what they are doing here? So that Dudley, no? So who is Dudley here? So Dudley is here dolphin. So here dolphin is happy. That dolphin is very happy and always plays with his two sisters all the time. So what the dolphin is doing here? Dolphin is very happy and he has two sisters to play all the time. So what about here Simon now? Simon is lonely and grumpy. So what is the meaning of grumpy here? So the meaning of grumpy is unhappy. So you can see on this page number the word which is highlighted with red color, that is word, and in the box it is given here their meanings. So grumpy means unhappy. So who was unhappy here? Of course, the shark is unhappy here, or shark is lonely and grumpy. So you know that the name of the shark is given here Simon. Very good. Now, so what is the why if Simon was grumpy here? Simon was grumpy because he is lonely. He is alone. He does not have any friends. Now only who was happy here? So dolphin was happy because he has two sisters and always he plays with them. Now Simon is alone and that's why this is the reason he is grumpy or unhappy. So what was his favorite time? So you know that everybody is having some favorite thing, some favorite pastime they are doing. Means what is the hobby, no? So you know that our favorite hobby or activity which we are doing in the free time. So here what is the favorite pastime is given here? So his favorite pastime is to chase Dudley and his sisters. So who is chasing Dudley and sisters and his sisters? Yes, of course, here shark. The name of the shark is Simon. So Simon is always trying to chase. Chase means to catch. Always he tried to chase the Dudley and his sisters because he doesn't want to see anybody happy there. No, he was living alone. He was grumpy, so he thought that if I am alone, if I am unhappy, so my friends will also be same just like me. That's why he is always try to chase his sisters and Dudley here. Okay. So what happened one day? So one day when he was chasing the dolphin and his two sisters, so suddenly something was happened on the shore. Then shore, S-H-O-R-E, shore, this meaning we have read in our second chapter, I think. Yes, second poem was there, no? So there we have read about shore, that a bird on the shore, no? So that is shore means the edge of the sea or ocean where we can find the land. Okay, so what they have seen one day? So both of them, they have seen something very magical. They have seen a magical scene on the shore. So what was that magical scene? Okay, so let us know here what was the scene here, magical scene. Okay, they both have seen a green alligator. Green alligator means that is alligator who can crawl on the land. Now green alligator dancing to the music played by two animals. So who was dancing here? Yes, a green alligator was dancing, and to whom, that on what music he was dancing, which animal were there? So he was dancing because the music played by two animals. So who were the animal, those who were playing the music? Yes, here a raccoon on the fiddle, means a raccoon was there who was playing music on a fiddle, and the second animal was given here, a frog. So he was playing the music on the banjo. So fiddle. So fiddle is also an instrument. With the help of this instrument, we are playing music here. Okay, so who is dancing here? Which animal is dancing here? So of course a green alligator is dancing here. Then who is playing music now? So music is playing by raccoon. And one more, who is that animal? A frog. So which instrument they have used to play music? Yes, so raccoon has used fiddle to play music, and a frog has used the banjo to play the music. Okay, so here students, you can see in this picture three animals are here. So this green alligator is dancing here, and two animals are playing music here, and you can see that in the sea that dolphin and shark, they both are watching this magical scene here. Okay, so what happened then when they had seen here, they are enjoying this magical scene here. So they both enjoyed the show and swim away in the evening when the show ends. Okay, so they enjoy the show. Who is enjoying the show here? Obviously, that shark and dolphin. They are enjoying the show here and swim away in the evening when the show ends. So you know that when we are going to watch a movie in a theater, when we are going in a circus to watch circus show, no, so at the end we are coming back to our home. So here the same thing is here also. When they have seen this musical scene here, so they have enjoyed when they were dancing, they were playing music, and when the show was end, so what happened, they went to their homes. Now what happened, that alligator was dancing here and the two animals were playing music, they were enjoying. So why they were enjoying? Now look at here, all these three animals are looking different. They are not belongs from the same category, they all are different animals. One is frog, second one is raccoon, and third one is reptile. But they all are very happy and they are enjoying their life by dancing and by playing music. So what happened when they have went to their home? So what happened? So this is what here, that is when Simon realizes means he observed the thing that if such unlikely creatures means all these three different looking animals could be friends and enjoy music and dancing together, then why can't he had Simon be friends? So who is thinking this? Who realizes his fault? So here Simon realizes his fault and he feeling guilty that if all these three animals can enjoy music or dancing together, so why can't he and Simon be friends? So who is here? Simon is talking about his friend Dudley here. So he thought, why we can't be friends? So from that day Simon and Dudley become the great friends. They both were the best friends. So what we have learnt in this story? In this story we have learnt that all people in this world have the same importance. All, if animals can live happily, no, if animals can live happily, so why we human can't live? So we also can live happily. So here at last Simon realized his mistake here and he thought to be friend to, or do friendship with the Dudley or with his two sisters. So what we read here about the chapter this about dolphin and the shark. Now in the beginning of this chapter, the shark, whose name is Simon, he was very unhappy, he was grumpy and alone, and he doesn't like that Dudley, that he always play happily with his sister. So he always try to chase the dolphin and his two sisters. But after watching a magical scene, he realizes his mistake and he thought to be friend of dolphin. That is, dolphin is Dudley here. So after that they both were very happy in their time. So this was the about story for the day. This is enough for the day now. So you will read your chapter once again and you will try to understand this lesson with the help of this video. So that's all for the day, students. Have a nice day.